Once upon a time, in the vibrant heart of Jamaica in the lively 1970s, there was a young woman named Islinda. She was a cheerful shopkeeper, known far and wide for her radiant smile and warm heart. Her little shop sat on a bustling street in Kingston, filled with sweet spices, colorful fabrics, and the laughter of neighbors. Every day, she greeted everyone with love and kindness, making her shop a bright spot in the community. One sunny afternoon, as the golden Caribbean sun cast its glow over the island, a gentle man named Roy strolled into her shop. Roy was a proud landlord, owning 2 cozy properties nearby, and he had a calm, kind spirit that matched the warm Jamaican breeze. He was looking for a gift for his mother, and when his eyes met Islinda's, something special sparked between them, like the rhythm of a reggae beat that makes your heart dance. They started talking, and before long, their conversations flowed as smoothly as a reggae tune. Roy loved how Islinda's laughter was like sunshine, and she admired his gentle way of caring for others. Every day, Roy found reasons to visit her shop, bringing little gifts, fresh mangoes, homemade bread, or just his bright smile. Islinda, in turn, would prepare sweet, spicy treats for him, and they'd share stories of their dreams and hopes. Soon, their bond grew stronger, like the roots of a mighty mango tree, deep and steady. Their love was simple but pure, filled with kindness, joy, and the warmth of a Jamaican sunset. The community cheered for their blossoming romance, knowing that 2 hearts, so full of love, had found each other amid the lively rhythms of island life. And so, under the starlit Caribbean sky, with the soft hum of reggae in the background, Islinda and Roy's love story became a beautiful tune that everyone remembered, proof that sometimes the sweetest love blooms in the warm heart of Jamaica, where happiness is found in the simplest moments, and love is as endless as the ocean.